Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In this video, we continue our trip north on I-59 as well as east on I-20. We begin at mile 45 near the town of Union, Alabama. Here at exit 52, near the unincorporated community of Knoxville, U.S. Highways 11 and 43 cross our path. We entered Tuscaloosa County, named in honor of Tuscaloosa with a K, a paramount chief of the Mississippian culture, who are considered ancestors of the historic Choctaw people of the region. The county was established in 1818. Tuscaloosa County has historically been the site of a number of major tornadoes. Most recently, on April 27, 2011, Tuscaloosa was hit by a 1.5 mile wide EF4 multiple vortex tornado, which was part of the 2011 super outbreak. It resulted in at least 44 deaths in the city and massive devastation. Officials at DCH Hospital in the city of Tuscaloosa reported treating more than 1,000 injured people in the first several days of the tornado aftermath. Tuscaloosa Mayor Walter Maddox was quoted saying that we have neighborhoods that have been basically removed from the map. The tornado first touched down in Greene County near Union and followed a northeastward path through Tuscaloosa and lifted just to the north of Birmingham, over 80 miles from where it touched down. On April 29th, President Barack Obama, upon touring the tornado damage in Tuscaloosa, said, "I have never seen devastation like this." As we approach the city of Tuscaloosa, we see that exit 71A accesses the Moundville Archaeological Park. as well as Lake Lorleen State Park. We conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media. And please join us for our next 504 road trip.